can see, I am out on a night ride for once. I wanted to see how the DJI looked at night, see how the footage looked, like if it was easy to see what I'm doing. And I also wanted a little variety because all of my videos are during the day and stuff, so I figured I'll mix it up and go for a night ride. And that's the lie I am going to stick with as to why I'm out right now. Just wanted to check the camera settings, that's all. Well, the performance, I guess. I'm gonna be honest, I don't really ride at night because I can't see through my visor and I don't know where the clear one is to just switch them out. So I don't normally ride at night. So I don't know if I'm supposed to ride with my high beams on or not. Because I see both sides of it. Like, yeah, right now I only have one tiny little light in front of me that doesn't go very far if I have my high beams off. But I also see it as like in a car, you know, you don't ride around with your high beams on because you're just blinding everybody in front of you. And I don't know, I don't think these high beams are that bright. Like, I think I probably should have them on, but I don't really know because I've never done it. I'll try it out when there's not somebody right in front of me. Yeah, I guess it's not really that bright. It just goes further. I am very dehydrated. Whoops. When I used to work down this way and I would make the same drive every single night that I'm making right now, I'd usually see a good bit of cops on my way home, but that was also like 12 o'clock at night or sometimes 4 o'clock in the morning. So I don't know if they'll be out right now. It's a little after 9, I think, but obviously 12 o'clock and 3 a.m. are a little different. There they are. This is actually kind of nice. I might do this more often. I don't know how well it is for videos, but in terms of overall riding enjoyment, this isn't bad. Ah, shit, I forgot to eat again. It's only been 8 hours, it's fine. Oh, thanks for now turning your high beams off. Appreciate it. Next time, wait till you rear end me to do it. Does this Mustang even have taillights, or is it just the reflection? Because they're pretty dim. Well, go ahead, get in the lane, go ahead. Thing about when I would work at this place and not get home until late in the morning along this road, I I would see deer pretty much every single ride home. Multiple times I had to slam the brakes because of them. They like to come out right in front of you. Really hoping that doesn't happen tonight. And if it does, hopefully I can react fast enough to avoid them. But obviously that's something you never know until it happens. I think the lake is right here. I don't know though because I can't see. Oh, it is. Look at that. I'll turn it back on. I don't know what the mic's picking up right now. Like if you guys can hear the crickets and stuff. Or that goose. Oh, there it is. My first night ride video. Technically it's not, never mind. I had that group ride at night. And the Offset concert I rode at night. But this is a solo, full-blown, like, nighttime video. You get it. Hopefully it turns out well. Like, I hope you can actually see it on the camera. Usually when I see other people's, it looks fine, so I'm not too worried. But I'll see when I get back. Actually I won't, because I have a different video to edit first, but let you guys enjoy this for a little bit. If you can even see anything. Oh yeah. I just tapped the screen of the camera to see if you can see anything, and it's just black. You can see the light blinking on the thing out in the water, but that's it. That's unfortunate. Alright, so you probably haven't seen anything since I shut the bike off. Well, in that case, thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. I had fun. It's kind of nice being out here. It's peaceful. But hope you guys enjoyed watching. Please leave a like. Please leave a like is what I meant to say. And I'll see you probably on my way home. If not, then I'll see you tomorrow. Later.